Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here am I again. At ito, kinakarga ko na naman tong bola ko sa ball hopper and I am going to Celebrity Sports Club. At this is their entrance. Napakaganda po dito at napaka-cozy. Sobrang linis po dito sa Celebrity Sports Club. And then, as you can see, papasok na po ako sa court. And I'm fixing myself. I'm wearing an Asics shoes para po komportable po tayo habang nagtuturo o naglalaro ng tennis. At ito po, papasok na po ako sa court. They have 4 tennis courts and it's indoor. Tulungan ako ng ball boy ngayon and I'm using an E-Zone 100 at patapos na po ako, sobrang bilis, pinakita ko lang po sa inyo. And then papunta tayo sa kabilang court and I'm here going to Victoria Sports Club. Ayan, tulak na naman at papunta po tayo sa 8th floor kasi nagpark tayo kanina sa level 1. It's a free parking here. Have only 1 court here. Before they have 2 courts. Ano, it's a self-service in here. Kailangan mo mag-turn on ng lights. And then may extra bayad po dito if you wanted to have an aircon. Pero may fan po talaga dito. This is the view of the Quezon City. Di ba ang arte? Ayan. So yung surface po dito, it's a turf. And now, I'm starting with my student. Ayun, nag-i-stretching po kami bago kami mag-start ng lesson namin. From head to toe yan. So, kailangan po natin ng stretching para iwas po sa cramps. Lalo na 2 hours po yung lesson niya. Depends with you if you wanted to have 1 hour or 2 hours session. Mag-unat-unat din tayo. Sa kanya kasi yung case niya is he wanted to learn tennis lang para lang makapag-exercise. He's doing a shadow swing sa net para magkaroon siya ng muscle memory. And now we're starting with the forehand ground stroke. Ayan. So, tennis kasi it needs a repetitions. Hindi siya on the spot. It's actually his second session. At least, ituturo natin na maayos sa kanya. That's the backhand ground stroke. Kahit man lang for exercise, dapat alam din ng estudyante kung paano yung tama ng pag-hit ng bola. So, kailangan ng proper spin. Supposedly tamang form, but then, well, sa kanya kasi as a young businessman, mga yapis, parang gusto lang nila magpawis. Sa kanila necessary na yung forma. Pero at least, kahit pa paano, mayroon man lang forma. Ayun. So, this time, it's a backhand and forehand combination, but it's moving forward and backward. As you can see sa baba, meron kayong nakitang video after kasi of hitting the ball, lahat kami din ang ball boy at the same time. So double time talaga ang coach. So hindi lang maging feed ng bola. So tulong-tulong talaga, it's a team. Ayan. So yan ang ginagawa namin. It's more or more on repetitions lang talaga ang tennis. Ayan. So yun, so he's doing his service also. Actually, nagtapos rin kami dyan sa rally namin. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Bye!